Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai education visas. That's the Thai ED visa category. And there was a time in Thailand when these things were ubiquitous. Foreigners would use these often to maintain long-term status in Thailand. Oftentimes they could enroll in a Thai language course and they could obtain a one-year visa based on that language course. That fell very much by the wayside with the rise of Big Joke through the immigration apparatus and sort of the crackdown associated with essentially, sometimes it rose to the level of fraudulent, but in many cases was merely pretextual immigration. But the long and the short of it is you need to view ED visas with a great deal of caution. As we noticed during COVID, they basically shut down. Unless you were attending a university, it was just not possible to get an ED visa to come into Thailand. And it's looking, there may be some options out there. I hear different things from the provinces, from different provinces associated with the ED visa. A lot of times I think it's folks who are trying to, they're hopeful. They want there to be this solution, when in reality they need to be far more cautious than they're being. ED visas are viewed with a great deal of skepticism by immigration authorities. They're scrutinized very, very heavily. We have seen initiatives in the past where immigration has specifically targeted that visa category for deportation, for crackdown, for roundups. Again, all of these issues culminate with me saying, yes, there are certain circumstances where the ED visa is appropriate, but if you're using it simply as a pretext or a pretense, it's probably a good idea to rethink that strategy and be looking at getting something that really truly is a viable long-term option and that really truly does reflect your intentions and what you're actually doing here in the Kingdom of Thailand.